We drove hundreds of miles to celebrate a birthday at White Sands National Park. But when we arrived, it was closed. Why? Well, a fighter jet had crashed right into it. So what do you do when your plans completely fall apart? Well, come along and we'll show you.
Sold it all, we're on our way. Packed our dreams in a rolling bay. Wheels are turning, life is free. Homes wherever we choose to be. Movement in motion, shift, grow and go. Adventure calling, time to show.
We have arrived at White Sands National Park, New Mexico, and got here closer to 3. Oliver Lee State Park. I'm kind of digging the state parks, honestly, because I really don't like spending 50, 60, 70 bucks a night to know what your neighbor is cooking for breakfast in the morning. It's not really coming up good because it's a little too bright out here still. First night, we bought a sled at Walmart.
Snow sled, but it's gonna be for the sand. It's like, I think we saw a video where they were charging $40 for the sled. Looks exactly the same, and this was like $6 at Walmart.
So I'm out here just taking a walk by myself, and I find I'm being followed.
Hold still.
Being followed by a woman and her dog. She's following me. My wife's like a walking GPS. We thank Google every day for the creation of Google Maps. Google Maps gets to bring my wife back to me. All right, this is what we do when we stop. Patience looks in the mirror, make sure she's all good and ready. I just slap on a hat and put my glasses on. So, such is life for the man versus woman.
Hey, you're taking that out of the video. Come on, dude.
That's her favorite line to me. You're taking that out of the video. We want to say happy birthday to a special lady in my life and a special dad. So my wife and my dad share the same birthday, and that is today. And so for Patience's birthday, she wanted to go sledding in 90-degree weather. Yep, sledding.
I don't want to go in 90 degrees.
Okay, she didn't want to go 90-degree weather. But we're going to be sledding on this stuff right here. So here we're at White Sands National Monument.
National Park.
Oh, National Park. White Sands National Park.
Oh, hi, Ducky Brett.
And we're going to take him, and he's going to probably freak out when Mom goes down the sled. And so we only got one sled because I figured it might be really difficult for a dog and 2 sledders. So happy birthday, Patience. And let's go get our sledding on. You have anything to say?
Well, we had to park out here because they closed the road off.
Yeah.
And so this isn't probably the part that you would walk in. It would be down further over there. So we have to first hike up that white sandy mountain, and we'll see what's on the other side.
Patience hiked over the mountain. Patience walked over the mountain. Patience walked over the mountain to see what she could see.
So we're gonna go hike up this mountain. Is so excited to get out. He's been in the trailer for the past 2 days. So smelling all the other dogs and smells. And here comes Dave with the sled. Oh yeah, it's a good sunshade. I like it. Your little backpack. So cute. We both wore sandals so that...
Oh wait, no.
No, to the left, but do you want to take him? I'm going to take my shoes off. Who knew I would be putting my feet in the sand on my birthday? Pretty awesome. Yeah, no water close by, but this will be unique. Something I've never done on my birthday. Sledding down the sand. Yeah, is he having a hard time too? Maybe we find a different way to go down.
No, that's easy to go down.
Just slide. More hills of white sand. Yeah, I could barely open my eyes. It's so sunny, especially the white sand.
So I don't think it's quite 90 degrees yet, but with the breeze, it feels good out here.
Oh, buddy.
What kind of footprints are those?
Oh, my luck.
Wait. Everybody before in the comment section, is it gonna be a success or fail? Let's see. Success or fail in the comments.
This might be quite embarrassing.
It's okay. We got it on film. Embarrassing moments are best on film. Yep. She's gonna scoot all the way down. I'm telling you, it's just not steep enough. You gotta go on the other side to get steep. Well, at least you have patience. What if I push you?
What kind of trail is this?
What kind of tracks are these?
White Sands is a fail for sledding. So I was so excited to go to White Sands National Park to celebrate my birthday, to sled down some white sandy hills and see just the vastness of the park and the White Sands. So upon entering White Sands National Park, we realized that they had the road closed down to get into the park. We found out that F-16 fighter jet had crashed into the park. Luckily, the pilot was able to eject himself before the crash, but there were a bunch of chemicals and contaminants on board that they are having to do a big cleanup of, and they are also investigating why the jet crashed in the first place.
So what a bummer. I mean, we were excited. We didn't know, but when we got there, it was like, hey, you know what? I'm glad the pilot was okay, first of all. But it was kind of a big fail for Patience's birthday because that's what she wanted to do on her birthday. So now we're shifting our sights to the next great thing, which is Carlsbad Cavern, which we'll show you guys in an upcoming video of that. And so instead of going to White Sands,
so stay tuned for the caverns.
yeah, that'll be exciting. Instead of enjoying the day at the hot White Sands National Park in Alamogordo for her birthday, we did a 180 and went to the cool climate of the shopping centers and found her some really awesome new clothes for her new journey in our new RV.
And don't forget that we found the best homemade ice cream that they sell in the store in a supermarket that we happened to go into.
Okay, there's one thing you need to know about Patience and I, is that we are definitely ice cream connoisseurs. And when we say she found the best store-bought ice cream, she found the best store-bought ice cream. And this brand right here was a really, really good brand. So if you're lucky enough to be in the stores and you've had this brand, in fact, put in the comments below if you guys have ever had this and what your thoughts are.
And if you can also put in the comments if you could find that ice cream in your state. So when we're traveling, yeah, you could tell I really, really love this ice cream. Hey Google, take me to Pistachio Land.
All right, McGinn's Pistachio Land, home of the world's largest pistachio. Let's go.
Little bubble.
Bobblehead pistachio. Man, that gives me Little Shop of Horror vibes right there.
It is.
Feed me, Seymour. Dill pickle.
We need our own bag because Dave said he could eat a lot of them. Like the cinnamon.
It's more of a dessert.
No
so-
sugar added.
Yeah.
It was really good. Let's try this.
Y'all need help finding anything?
I think we found
I don't think we, yeah. They're so good.
It's so good.
I want to try the green chili, the habanero lemon. I didn't taste anything on that one.
That happened.
Let me try some.
The ranch one.
Do you like that one? Those are good. They got stuck and they won't come out. Oh,
Try the cocoa.
oh, there's more? I just threw my cup away. How is there more? This would be really yummy putting on those chicken enchiladas, sour cream chicken enchiladas. Pouring this over the top.
Yeah, I mean, got to that shelf here.
You guys like pickled items. If you guys like pickled quail eggs, too. We got some on the other side.
I like pickles.
Okay.
Okay,
I like
we got
I like pickled cucumbers. You got pickled cucumbers?
not cucumbers. But we do have the pickles. No, I know it's the same thing. I know it's the same thing.
Most of the older girls, they'll still produce something. You'll notice that it has these little spiky pom-pom looking things.
You got ice cream all right.
Papa Bear ice cream.
Let's
I
see if
got
can-
pistachio, homemade pistachio, and homemade pineapple. Real pineapple chunks.
2 thumbs up. This is a good day.
Good day. So what'd you learn about?
Definitely worth coming out here and making it to Pistachio Land. You could look around in the gift shop, in their store, for quite a while, over an hour. They have a lot of souvenirs. They have alien things, pistachio, trinkets, clothing.
Pistachios?
And yeah, we came out with a whole bag full.
And there's an RV park right across the street too if you're an RV. Between celebrating Patience's first birthday on the road, taking selfies with the world's largest pistachio, and finding out that an F-16 crashed our party, we've definitely had our fill of surprises. But if you're hungry for even more New Mexico adventures, make sure you check out this video right here, where a rough start to our New Mexico adventures turned into a hidden gem discovery. Wild horses wandered right through our campsite, and we even had a strange encounter at a country store that kind of kept us on our toes. If you want to check that out, just click right here. And trust me, you're going to want to see how that story unfolds.